Okay, you guys, I know I look crazy, but I wasn't originally going to film this, but I figured why not? Let's do it together. Last night, I put some brown rice and water in a jar because I've been doing some research on how to save my hair because it's honestly, it's to a level that like, it's just bad. My hair is just really, really bad and damaged and just bad. Okay, so I'm gonna leave her channel down below. She was on I can't remember her name right now, but this channel was featured on Creator on the Rise, which is on the trending page, which is something I have as a goal for mine for 2019 is to be a creator on the rise. So because of that, I always like check out the creators on the rise that are featured on the trending page on YouTube. And I found one and it was a hair account, and the video that I watched first was about how she used rice water on her hair for 30 days to see like how it worked, because apparently it has really great benefits for hair growth, for hair strength, for conditioning, for just like a whole bunch of stuff. So I made some fermented rice water, and this is what I have. I have about 3/4 of a cup. I originally put 1 cup of brown rice, organic brown rice, and 1 cup of water. I'm gonna make it again later, and I'll insert a clip of like me making it so you guys can see how I do it. But I'm about to go in the shower and wash my hair. I went to the gym earlier, which is why I'm like in a sports bra and stuff. So now I'm about to get in the shower and wash my hair because, oh God, it's a mess. And apparently I'm supposed to wash my hair. I'm gonna do it the way she did it because I was watching some other videos and people were saying that the rice water, because of how much protein is in it, can actually dry out your hair. So the way she did it, after like doing it for the whole month and like testing out different ways to do it, she shampooed her hair and then she rinsed it with the rice water, and then she put a deep conditioning mask over it, because some people I saw were rinsing it and then letting it sit for 60 minutes and then, or they were washing it, conditioning it, rinsing their hair with this, letting it sit for 60 minutes and then conditioning it again. And that kind of just seems counterproductive. So I'm going to do it the way she did it because I feel like that just seems the smartest to me. I don't know shit, but it seems the smartest to me. So I am going to do that way. And I'm not going to bring my camera into the shower, but I guess maybe I'll bring my phone in the shower and record a few clips of it. But yeah, I just dumped it in my Pyrex because I feel like this is going to be the easiest way to like pour it over my head and rinse my hair with it. We're gonna see what happens because your bitch needs help. Your girl needs a lot of help. This entire idea is due to that video that I saw of hers. So I'm going to link her channel down below, link her video down below. You can do some more research on other videos. I watched a ton after I watched hers, but this is definitely credit to her. So I'm going to link her down below. And she also used it on her skin. And I don't know if I want to try that actually. Maybe, I don't know. I'm just going to go wash my hair and then I'm going to do a little more reading up on what this actually is supposed to do. And then when I look a little better, I will tell you all the good benefits and all that shit. So stay tuned. Okay, this is probably the worst footage ever because it's on my iPhone and I'm in the shower and it's steamy as hell. But I just washed my hair. I used the Moroccan Oil Hydrating Shampoo. Shout out to Moroccan Oil for sending me this. This video is not sponsored. It's just I got it in a PR package and I've been using it. But now I'm going to reach out of my bathtub and get the rice water so I can rinse my hair. As you can see, I don't know what you can see. You can just see my hair. It smells like, it doesn't smell good. Okay. Oh, it's fucking cold. Oh my God. Okay, I think I'm going to flip my head upside down and do it that way because I feel like that'll be easier. Or, I don't know. Now that it's in, I'm going to grab one of my, oh, is that my boob? Now that it's in, I'm going to grab one of my hair masks. I'm going to grab this Kerastase one. We're going to put it right on top. That water feels very starchy, which makes sense because it's a rice water. Now that I put this mask on, it feels pretty damn good. So I'm going to sit here, massage my head, let it sit for a while. I might actually get out and do a face mask so I can let it sit for even longer. But I'm going to do all that and then I'll report back when my hair is like done, you know? Okay, you guys, so I decided to put on a face mask and run a bath and just chill in here as I wait for the hair to sit. My hair feels really, really soft. Yeah, my hair, I know I have a hair mask in it, but my hair feels like extra soft, like softer than it usually does with a hair mask in it. So I have high hopes for this. And this mask, if you're wondering, I'm going to take a clip when it's like fully dry because it's honestly insane what it looks like when it dries. But I got this. It's basically, I think it's called Aztec Indian Healing Clay. And you mix it with apple cider vinegar and put it on your face. And it's like a wonder of a mask. It's like one of my favorite masks ever. And it's super, super cheap. But when it dries, it like tightens up your face so much and you literally look like a different human. So that will be the next clip for you. Stay tuned. Oh, and I'll link it down below for you guys in case you're interested. Hello, can I shower in peace? Thank you. Bye-bye. You're back? What's up, man? How you doing? You wanna get in? Runs away. Okay, I know something's happening. Also, it's really hard. It's getting harder and harder to move my face with this mask on. I know something's happening because the back of my neck is like itchy as fuck. So I know something is tingling up in my scalp. I just hope my neck doesn't break out because it's really fucking itchy. But to be honest, that to me just means it's working. Things are happening, so I actually take it as a good sign. But like I said, I hope the back of my neck isn't like bright red and fucked up.
One eternity later.
Okay, the mask didn't dry as hard or as crazy looking as it usually does. But this is about all I'm gonna endure for today because I'm tired of laying in this bathtub. I've been here for so long and my face hurts and my neck is still itchy. So I'm gonna rinse this off and then I'm gonna go do my hair and then we are gonna see how my hair feels. Why my lips are so dry because I can't even like move to lick my lip. Let's try. This is so difficult. Ow. Okay guys, this is my blowout after using the rice water. So yeah, basically my hair feels a lot softer. It was like a lot easier to blow out. I wish I timed how long it took me. Also, I wish I knew how long it usually takes me because for some reason it seemed like it took less time. My hair, it does really need a trim. So like the ends are pretty fried, but that is not the rice water's fault. And I also didn't expect the rice water to cure that in one use. But I will say like my hair is just a lot more manageable. It feels a lot softer. Like I said, it was a lot like quicker to blow out, which obviously when you have as much hair as me, that is a good thing. But I don't know, I just really like it. Like I'm definitely gonna keep using this. I'm gonna try, because I wash my hair about once a week, basically once a week. So I think I'm gonna try this for the next 4 weeks, like do like a month of it and see how my hair turns out, because I really see a difference even in one use, which is very promising because I really need some hair help. Like I'm having a hair consultation next week because I'm just, something's wrong. Well, we know a lot is wrong and we gotta fix it. I'm an online personality now. I need to look my best. That's annoying, but it's true. So I'm gonna go and make my rice water for next week. I'm gonna let it ferment for the entire week, so hopefully the benefits are even better. I'm assuming that the longer you let it ferment, the better the benefits are, because the more of like the good shit out of it the water takes on. But for now, I'm just gonna read to you guys some of the stuff that's in rice water that makes it so beneficial. So it has amino acids, B vitamins, vitamin E, minerals, and antioxidants. And the benefits are said to be detangling the hair, which I totally believe, because literally, you guys, when I came out of the shower, I brought my hairbrush into the shower with me so I could detangle my hair, and literally it was like it was already detangled. Like literally I put my brush through once and it was like it went straight through, which is like never ever happens to me. Like never happens to me. Like this is insane how easy it is to brush my hair right now. Makes hair smoother, absolutely believe that. It was so much easier. Like putting the brush through my hair when I was blowing it out was so much easier. Increases shine. My hair isn't very shiny because it's so dull and blonde and fried, but I will say it looks, actually when I look, because my roots are like the healthiest part because they haven't seen as much damage as the rest of my hair, and I will say like my roots and the like length of my hair does look shinier. The ends don't look shiny because they're fried, but the rest of my hair actually does look shinier than usual. Makes hair stronger. I will say I had like little to no shedding when I brushed my hair and also when I blew out my hair. Like this, I use my Dyson to blow out my hair. And this is usually full of hair, and there's really not much hair in it right now. So I definitely believe it made my hair stronger, and then it helps hair grow long. I don't know about the growth, but I think in terms of making my hair stronger, it definitely feels stronger, and the proof is in how much I was shedding when I blew it out. So I think if your hair is stronger and it isn't breaking off, then obviously you'll grow hair faster because it's not breaking off the ends. So yeah, I'm gonna keep trying this. I'm really pleasantly surprised with the results even after just one use. So if you are going through some damaged hair crises like I am, I definitely recommend to use this. I will keep you guys updated. I want to do for the next 4 weeks, do it and kind of document it to show you guys. If this is like, wow, I'm just honestly like, my hair feels so good right now. I'm kind of shocked at how well this went. I don't know, I feel like nothing ever works for me, and this kind of did. So I am going to go ahead and make my rice water for next week. So I'm gonna basically show you how to do it so you can do it at home too. Okay, so this is the rice I used. This is organic short grain brown rice from Whole Foods. It's just like brown rice that I bought and never ate because I hate brown rice. So I figured, let me use this because one, it's organic and my other rice isn't organic, and two, I hate brown rice. So let me just, also this is like an old Halloween t-shirt that I just threw on to blow out my hair. But I basically got a mason jar. Well, first, before you get a mason jar, get a strainer because you need to rinse your rice first. I don't know if that's necessary, but I just want to get all the dirt and the stuff that shouldn't be in my hair out of the rice. Yesterday, I used a cup of rice and a cup of water, but I don't think I need that much rice because it was just like most of the mason jar was rice, and I just feel like, I don't know, I feel like we can get the same benefits out of less rice. So I'm taking half a cup of rice this time. I'm putting it in a strainer, and I'm just gonna rinse it, and just to get all of the dirt and stuff off of it. This is what I do when I make rice like to eat and stuff, so it just feels wrong to ferment dirty rice, you know? So now I'm gonna put it in my mason jar. Oh, I'm getting rice all over the floor. Basically, I used a cup of water, so I think I'm gonna do a cup of water again because it seemed like the perfect amount to rinse my hair with. So because there's a half a cup in here, I guess I'll go to 10 ounces on the mason jar. Yeah, and just get your lid for your mason jar, shake it up, and that's literally it. I'm gonna put it in the counter because like to ferment things, they should be in like dark, like more warm places or room temperature places. So I'm gonna keep it inside the cabinet so it can like be dark and it can brew up, and it is kind of smelly after, but I don't know. When I was watching those videos and everybody was like saying how smelly it was, and it really wasn't that smelly. Like it wasn't pleasant, but it wasn't that bad. But maybe after a week it will be bad, so we'll see. Like I said, I'm gonna keep you guys updated, but I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, then why don't you just hit the subscribe button and we can follow along this hair journey of mine, because let me tell you, girl, it has been a goddamn journey. And so far the journey has just been downhill because I've just been frying my hair over and over again. We're ready for the climb. The climb back up to beautiful, luscious, healthy hair again. So hopefully this rice water will help us. So I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you next time.